Why hello, you people from Earth and outer space. It is I, Alexander from the universe. In this episode of Let's Java, we'll contemplate the underlying meaning to this huge amount of code. Just look at this. This is so complicated. There's like 7 lines of code here. This code is so advanced and so confusing. Let's discuss it, shall we? The first line here, you'll see, is a line that says class hello world. Now, Java is object-oriented, and every object is made out of a class. And objects are these kind of like bundles containing code with different types of functionality. In this case, the hello world class is kind of like a wrapper for the most basic functionality for your entire project existence. Now on the second line here, there's a curly brace, a starting curly brace. And this curly brace basically connects with this curly brace and wraps around everything contained by them. Everything in here is wrapped by these two curly braces. And this is called a code block. So these two curly braces symbolize a code block. Everything that's contained by them is inside of that code block. And since these can be right after the class definition, the class by the name of hello world, these are connected to whatever comes before it. So this code block is connected to the class. Inside of this class, we have something called a method. The name of this method is main. What comes before it here is public, static, and void. And for now, you can think of this as whenever you see public, static, void, main, that means this is the main method, the entry point into your program where Java will start executing code, be another word for running. And there are these weird brackets here, these weird parentheses, and these contain string args. Whatever goes inside the parentheses are arguments for this specific method. And we'll talk about that later. So for now, think of them as necessary to be there. So this is the definition of your main method in Java. This is where Java starts executing code from. And this code block down here is in fact attached to this method up here. Whenever Java is looking for the main method, it's going to find this and it's going to execute this code block. So whatever's inside this code block is what's going to be executed. Inside of here, we have a system out print line. This is a means of printing out text in Java into the console. As you could see before, we had it say hello world. And this line right here is the reason why. Now, this doesn't have to be hello world. This could just as well be hello dude. For example, you want to go ahead and save that. You're going to want to open up your console again and type in Java C. We're going to recompile this hello world.java. I'm going to press enter. It's going to compile. Now once again type Java hello world. It's going to say hello dude. Now we could add another line to this if we wanted to, because everything contained in here is going to run from top to bottom. Add a new line, say instead of hello dude, say hello mama. And in fact, we could change this into like hello papa, because we don't want to leave him out of this. Open your console back up and type in the same commands again. Java C hello world.java, compile it, Java hello world, and it says hello papa, hello mama on 2 separate lines. So that's a very basic explanation of what all of this does. We're going to get more in depth as to what all of this does in future episodes. But for now, think of this as a very simple program, which is really advanced, man. Look at all these lines. So you go ahead and experiment a little with these lines here and add some more print lines to that and print out like 100 of those and just feel amazing because you're such a great programmer. I believe in you, person. Why, goodbye, people from Earth and outer space. Feel free to leave a comment saying something hilarious or perhaps even a like. Until next time.